Hi guys, Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a very brand new live stream. Let me first of all welcome everyone. H. Siva, Ravi Inder Singh, Aditya Naik, Dil L, Aniket Sarvi, Ajay Paul, Joshua Ray Bello, Jayesh Ingole, Revan Chamarthi, sorry, Stephen Joseph, Siva Sankar, Manjeet Tomar, Shrikant Thatti, Rajesh Pasedullah, and Sandeep Chirde. A very warm welcome to everyone to our YouTube memberships. So yes, here we are for the live stream. Ashwin, I got your super chat. Thanks a lot. In fact, I was planning to make a separate video on this on Bharat Bond. So most probably we'll be covering the Bharat Bond in our upcoming videos. So definitely we will be discussing about your question in detail in one of our upcoming videos. Okay. Today's Q&A is special. There has been a lot of buzz about the current IPO. Today only it started, and man, it has received a very good response. I was not expecting such a good response. Can anyone tell me how much subscription has the IPO got in the as at end of day one? Biswajit says, good evening, this is my first live session. Good, Biswajit. Anyone can tell me how much is the latest position? How much is the IPO subscribed? Anyone can tell me? 60%. So to what I saw, is my voice low? I'm doing normal stream. Okay, to what I saw, latest was 0.45%, 0.45 times. But getting this response on day one itself was a very good one. Maybe many people are putting 60%, so maybe that is the updated version. I'd seen it almost 4 hours ago. So at that time, I just checked out on one of the websites. It was 0.45. So getting a pretty good response for that. So let us see how much it gets oversubscribed, or does it get undersubscribed. I don't think with this rate it will get undersubscribed. There are great chances that it might get oversubscribed. So let us see how does the overall subscription go up to. So in today's Q&A, so let me get back to the question now. If we check out today's Q&A, very important questions have been shortlisted. There were so many questions about the IPO. I thought that I should be discussing this in detail. But the questions which we selected, there were some problems. In what sense? Understand. The answers to these questions had to be given with the help of some data. Okay. So if I were to give it with the help of some data, then I have to show you the actual data. So today's Q&A, I have pasted the question, and in the Word document itself, I pasted the answer. Okay. So generally, I have a Word document with all the question screenshots, but today it's like a question, answer, so that you get a better understanding of all the answers that I'm talking about. Okay. So let's see how the questions have been asked. So I'm quickly taking you to my screen as well, so that we get to check all the important questions. Okay. I've zoomed in enough. The very first question which I have shortlisted is of Dark Horse, and Dark Horse says, ma'am, I have two questions. Why are they reducing textile chemical business, and do they have further plans to reduce it? Which business they are focusing at, and at the upcoming Dahej plant? I had a very sidey joke on that Dahej plant. I hope you got that. Okay, so in my main video, right? So coming back to the main question, Dark Horse has asked that why are they reducing textile chemical business? Okay, I got his question, but Dark Horse, maybe you are of the opinion that when I just took you through this, there was a bar graph which I had shown in my video, but the bar graph has been made from this data which appears in the prospectus. Okay, So if you see here, 71.54 was the overall percentage of revenue which was contributed by textiles. From 71% it went down to 52, and then it went down to 43%. Okay, now understand, has the overall revenue gone down? Answer is no, it's just the percentage which has gone down. If you check out in absolute terms, in fact the revenue from specialty chemicals has gone up from 2139 million rupees, not crores, so it will be 213 crores to 269 crores to 262 crores. So a very minor drop here, nothing much. But percentage wise this has gone down. And why percentage wise this has gone down? Because of the home and personal care category, which has gone up percentage wise from 18.63% to 46.81%. Okay, so I hope this point is absolutely clear. The textile specialty chemical business has not gone down, the percentage allocation has gone down because this percentage allocation has gone up for home personal care. And chalo, let me see who has seen the video nicely. I'm going to ask you a question. Which company has contributed the most for this jump from 18% to 46%? Which customer of Rossari Biotech has been the biggest contributor? Can anyone tell me who has been the biggest contributor for this jump in percentage? Anyone? Very good. The very first question answer comes from Prasob, is HUL. Sanket says HUL. Saidut says HUL. Vishal Patil says HUL. Very good, very good, very good. And many people are saying HUL now. So everyone has watched the video very nicely. Very good. I'm happy everyone has seen the video properly. Okay, fantastic. So that was the main company which contributed a lot to the stream, which is home personal care and performance. Okay, performance chemicals basically. So I hope I have answered your question. And about your question about the upcoming Dahej plant, they have actually not disclosed that very clearly in the prospectus, that what are they planning to do at Dahej plant, any specific business segment which they are planning at the Dahej plant. So they just say that we are planning to expand to this new factory premises as well, but no specific product has been written in the prospectus. Okay, so let's go to the second question with that. So I'll quickly read out the question for you. I'll show you my screen. So this is the main one. The second question is asked by Gajanan Pandey, and Gajanan ji says, Rachana ji, great content as usual. Thank you, Gajanan. I wanted to know why the face value of this share is 2 rupees and not 10 rupees. Usually IPOs are seen with 10 rupees face value. Okay, so initially, Gajanan, the face value of this company was also 10 rupees. Okay, and it was split into 2 rupees. Okay, so for that also I would like to show you some data so that you get a much clearer picture. So here you can see, okay, by the way, this is again a screenshot from where? Prospectus. Many people ask me, Rachana, where do you get so much information about the company? What is the secret behind your knowledge? Boost is not the secret of my knowledge. The prospectus is the secret of my knowledge about Rossari Biotech IPO. So it's very clearly given. It's just about how much you read the prospectus, right? So it's very clearly given that Rossari Biotech had a 10 rupee face value. On 12th November 2019, they split it to the face value of rupees 2. Okay, so that is why it is revised from 10 to 2. This happened in November 2019. Okay, so I hope this point is also absolutely clear. No doubts on this, I hope. Okay, who is that Chi? It was such a nice video, nice joke. Why are you saying Chi? Right, okay. So we are going to, yes, prospectus and patience. Yes, right. Thank you. Okay, anyways, chalo, with that, I guess let us move on to the third question. I have selected quite a bit of questions. Oh my God, by the way, again, after a long time, we have crossed 3,000 concurrent viewers. So feeling very good that there are 3,000 people who are watching this stream live. If you want your friends as well to watch this stream, you can just paste the link of this stream on your Instagram or on your Facebook profiles. I'm just pasting the link of this stream, ongoing stream. Please paste it on your channels as well, on your WhatsApp, so that they will also get to know a lot about this IPO. There are much more, almost 6 to 7 more questions coming up for this, upcoming. Okay, I got deviated actually. Bharani Techie says boost. Okay, right. Chalo. So shall we move on to the next question, right? Next question is buy. Saidut says, ma'am, after some days of the listing, if the price crashes, can we think to invest for long term, like more than 5 years? Saidut, if you remember, I have talked about some risk factors which are there. And the risk factors are that the company has almost 10 customers who contribute to more than 50% of their sales, and 5 customers who contribute more than 40% of the sales. So this is a big risk that if one of the big players exits, then it will hamper their sale a lot. If I talk about even HUL is alone contributing to more than 10% of their revenue. Okay, so this is one of the risks which I feel that the company has. But yes, if you can get this at a comparatively lower price at a discount to its peers, P valuation, if you get it lower as compared to its peers and compared to the industry as well, it can be considered for a long-term horizon, is what I definitely feel. Okay, right. Next question is by Kinshuk Bose, Saurabh Jain, and Lakshman Singh. I'm going to club up all these three, okay, because all these three are about a same concern. Everyone is like hashtag made in India. We want that. Okay, so Kinush says, is there any Chinese import involved with this company? Saurabh says, I'm concerned about where does the raw material come from. If these companies import most of their raw material from China, then that would affect the share price looking at the current scenario of our shared borders and China's global geopolitical issues. And Lakshman says, how much raw material does it import from China? Okay. Again, to answer this question, I feel that I should quickly take you to my answer sheet as well, so that I can answer this question much clearly. Okay. See, again, this is what is given in the prospectus again. Okay, I'm just trying to zoom in further so that it will be easier for you. Okay, right. Very clearly it is written. See, we source our raw material from, I hope this is very clearly visible to everyone. I'm not just checking. Yes, it's visible, right? So it's very clearly written that we source our raw material from India, Southeast Asia, and Europe. Very clearly they have written in their prospectus again. We source our raw material from India, Southeast Asia, and Europe. The cost of our imported raw material is also affected by fluctuation rate risk. So obviously, see, if they are importing from Europe, so if the billing is done in euros, forex risk is involved. Just in case if the billing is done in USD, in case of Southeast Asian countries, then there is a risk involved. Okay. Now let us understand. India, say they are buying raw material, fair enough. If they are buying from Europe, fair enough. Problem is with Southeast Asia. And what pops up in your mind is, does China come in Southeast Asia or not? Okay. So I have taken a screenshot. Okay. Me and my team who worked on this, we have taken a screenshot of this. And this is the WHO website, okay, World Health Organization website. So we tried to find out what is covered in Southeast Asia. So it very clearly says Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Timor-Leste. I don't know what is this. I actually heard this for the very first time. Timor-Leste. Anyways. Bangladesh, Bhutan, Korea, India, Maldives, Myanmar, and Nepal. No China. Okay. So I thought of sharing this screenshot with you also. Everything should be there with evidence. Because then people keep on asking, Rachana, where did you get this information from? So today I thought I'll give the answers with screenshots only wherever it is required. Okay, so that you get a better idea about what I'm talking about, and you will get a better confidence basically with the answers that I'm giving. Okay, so I hope the Southeast Asia part is also very clear, right? So acha, Timor-Leste is East Timor. Oh, okay. Hush. Okay, fine. I hope you have understood this, right? So too much in detail analysis now. Okay, right. So with that, let's move on to the next question. What if HUL decides to change the vendor? It's gone, says GV Gaurav. It's gone, nahi hoga directly. It will stay in the market. It will stay in the competition. But the problem is that, yes, there will be a big impact on the revenue. There will be a big impact on the profitability as well. Okay. So yes, if HUL goes away, then it's going to impact its revenue and profitability. It will be gone is not a correct statement, Gaurav, is what I feel. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Next one is by Dheeraj. Dheeraj says, is it better to buy it after listing? Due to high P, there are chances that it might gap down. Exactly, Dheeraj, that is what I feel, that it is a little bit expensive. I have also covered that in my main video. I feel that it is expensive, and I feel that there are great chances that they might, I mean, it might go down with its very high price valuations. Okay, but the problem is that see, if the subscription which this IPO gets is very high, please understand this, if the issue gets oversubscribed, and whenever it lists on the stock exchange, at that time, if the market is going at a very amazing pace like it is right now, then there may be chances that the company might even list at a premium. I'm repeating this. Two points we have to check out. Number one, how much does it get oversubscribed? Okay, remember this. Please pay attention. Please. Did SBI cards I want answers from you all. Did SBI cards IPO get oversubscribed? Yes or no? I want answers. Did SBI card get oversubscribed? Yes or no? Answers, please. Absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. So many people are giving me answers as yes. Okay. So the thing is that if there are so many oh my god, it's going too fast. Wait. Right. So if, yeah, perfect. It's just going up like, oh, okay. The viewers have also increased. Good. 3,300 plus viewers. So going back to our discussion, if the SBI cards IPO was oversubscribed, still it listed at a discount to its issue price, was there something terrifically wrong with its fundamentals? Answer is no. With its fundamentals, nothing was terrifically wrong. Problem was that when the share got listed, at that time the market conditions were not good. Okay, so it's very important that when the share gets listed on the stock exchange, we have to check what are the market conditions. And right now things are so dicey, in spite of people, I mean, in spite of everyone feeling that yes, it will, the market will go down, market just refuses to come down. It is just going up and above. So yes, let us see. When this share gets listed on the stock exchange, we have to understand what is the market scenario at that time. So looking only at the fundamentals makes no sense. Looking only at the oversubscription makes no sense. We have to also understand what is the market scenario at the time of listing. Okay, so if you ask me fundamentally, my answer is that it is overpriced. Okay, if you ask me what about the subscription, with this rate, I feel there are great chances that it might get oversubscribed. Okay, but then as I mentioned, what happens at the day of listing is also a big question mark because of the ongoing scenario, right? So that is what I wanted to point out to everyone, that the main question was that, is it due to high P, are there chances that it might gap down? Answer is yes, there are chances that it might gap down, but please understand that only having high P is not equal to is not, I mean, if a company has a high PA, it does not guarantee that the share will go as a gap down opening. Okay, I'm repeating. Just because the company has a high PE, it does not mean that mandatorily it will go down. Okay, I hope this part is also clear. Right, so with that, let us move on with the next question. For that, I'm going to take you to my screen again. And the next question is by Mr. Saran Kumar. And the question is that, what is debt to equity ratio of the company? Okay, there were some people who had asked me that, Pam, you did not discuss about the debt to equity ratio of the company. There was a reason why I did not discuss the debt to equity ratio, because I didn't feel that there is a lot to be discussed in this one. I'll quickly show you how the debt to equity ratio looks like. Okay, so again, same thing today. I had to discuss it with the help of a lot of charts. Okay, so that's why this is again a screenshot from where prospectus, correct? So here you can see short-term debt, long-term debt, total debt, equity, long-term debt to equity, and here you can see total debt to equity. This line is important, correct? I hope this is very clear. Total debt to equity. Here you can see as at March 2018, it was 0.24:1. As at March 19, it was 0.04:1. Okay, so this is also very less, but if we talk about the current year, it is 0.23:1. Okay, have they taken some debt? Yes, they have taken some debt right now, but still I believe that 0.23:1 as a debt to equity ratio is like, it's absolutely okay. I don't feel, I mean, there's nothing wrong. It's a very low debt to equity ratio. So, I mean, that's absolutely okay, right? So, yes, I hope you have understood this one as well. So that is it about the debt to equity ratio question. Okay. Next question was by Mr. Amit Kumar, and Amit Kumar asks that, is this listed on NSE? If yes, by what name it is listed? Amit Kumar Ji, is it listed on NSE? And if yes, then by what name is it listed? Okay, so guys, this is an IPO, right? So it is not listed on NSE. If it was listed on NSE, it would have been an FPO. FPO is a follow-on public offer, right? I hope everyone is aware about this. This is very basic, absolute basic. If a company is coming up with an IPO, it cannot be listed on any stock exchange as of now, right? So if it is, when it lists on the stock exchange, then it is going to get listed on both BSE as well as NSE, okay? So those who don't have, such basic information, I believe that there is a great opportunity for you to gather such basic information. Possibility number one, okay, possibility number one, how can you get this basic information? I'm sharing you my Telegram channel link right now. You can see here, Telegram channel link, I've just pasted right now. I request everyone to subscribe that Telegram channel right away. Why? Two things. Number one, it is free of cost, correct? That is why you have to subscribe to that Telegram channel of mine right now. Use this link as well, because as you can expect, there are so many fake channels on my name as well, okay? So this is the actual Telegram link, okay? Wait, now why this Telegram channel link? Number one, reason is that in that Telegram channel, what you will get as a value addition, I'm going to quickly tell you. Three things, okay? Three things. Okay, Uday says we can also get basic information by joining your course. Thank you, Uday, for doing my advertisement. Thank you. Okay, so three things on my Telegram channel as of now. Number one, every day before the market starts, we discuss, we give a short message wherein we talk about how did the Asian markets, or how have the Asian markets opened, how are they performing, okay? We talk about how the US markets closed. Number two, we talk about, after the market closes, we talk about which were the top gainers, which were the top losers, and very important, very, very important, one term of the day, one finance term of the day is pasted on the Telegram channel. Every single day, one finance term is pasted on the Telegram channel. So obviously, you will have a great opportunity to learn at least one term of the day without special efforts, right? So Ravi Vishwamitra says, I have just joined. Very good. So those who have joined, say yes. Guys, you have this in your emojis. Those who have joined the channel, I want everyone to say yes. Fadafat. Yes, yes. Perfect, 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 perfect. People are saying yes. Nice. Okay, okay, okay. Right. What is the link, says Abhishek. Wait, Abhishek, I'll post one more time. That is a Telegram channel. That is free of cost. So I feel everyone should join it. In Marathi, we say Phukat te Poshtik. Correct. Whatever is free is very, very nice. Okay. So, yes, people are saying yes. So very good. That was the free version of gaining knowledge. Okay. And like someone said, ma'am, of course, your courses also are good. So thank you, thank you. So why not? Why should I miss this opportunity of advertising for my own course? So if you want to learn about the basics of stock market, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, you can definitely check out my website. The website is rachanaranade.com. Okay, and that is where you can get an access to all the important lecture series. So you can definitely check it out. Okay, so Rahul just says asa kasa kai, asa asta Rahul. Nice, people are learning this term, asa kasa kai. I think I should prepare a sticker for that as well. Asa kasa kai, right? I'll do that. Okay, perfect. Great. People are saying tathastu, super se bhi upar. Dilip says provide link. Are kya Dilip? Le lo, chalo. Given. Okay. Pratik has also pasted the coupon code link and the course link as well. My God, the chats are going super fast, but I've quickly managed to paste this link again. So you can use the coupon code Janta Curfew to get 5% discount and Super Combo 10 to get 10% discount. So that was it about my small advertisement about the course. But jokes apart, I feel that those who want to learn about stock markets in the systematic way, I feel that yes, that's a good one. Definitely, that's a very good option, right? Chalo, perfect. Abhi bhi he's saying, Rahul is saying, please share Telegram channel. Atanai pathoda me. I will not. If someone else wants to share the Telegram channel link, they can. I will not. It doesn't work. Sanjay, really? Okay. Pratik, if you can just share the Telegram channel link one more time, please. That will be wonderful. Okay. Rohit Naik says fundamental analysis is the wonderful course. Thank you, Rohit. Thanks a lot. Perfect. Right. Okay. Dhanush Kodi says good night, madam. Okay, good night. अच्छा बीच में छोड़ के जा रहा है धनुष कोडी. Okay, perfect. Okay, अरे Avinash, stop spamming Baba. Okay, chalo, I'll move on to the last question which I had chosen. Last question is by Ravage, or I don't know how to call it, Ravaje or Ravage, whatever. Ma'am, please mention below risks of related parties. Okay. His question is about risks of related parties, and he says that there are 3 questions inside this question. I'll quickly answer this, but they are very important ones. Again, with proofs, all answers with proofs. Okay. Why promoters are paying 86 lakhs as rent when they claim all properties are owned? Okay, I'll repeat the question for you. His question is that when the company claims that all my properties are owned, then why are the promoters paying 86 lakh rupees as rent? Okay. Ravage, I don't know where did you find this information that all properties are owned. I didn't see anywhere in the prospectus where they mention that all the properties are owned. Okay. So here I've again pasted a screenshot. Okay. It says that our company's registered office, which is at Kanjur Marg, Mumbai, it is owned by us, number 1. Silvassa manufacturing plant again is also owned by us. So 2 things, their registered office and Silvassa plant, both owned by them. However, our proposed Dahej manufacturing facility is on a land leased by our company for 99 years. They have very clearly given that they have taken it on a lease for 99 years. They have also taken many of their branch offices on lease. Okay, so and that too in 9 different cities. So this is what is given in the prospectus. I don't know where did you find this that all properties are owned. At least it's nowhere given in the prospectus to my knowledge. That's why I've shown that is the reason why I'm showing you screenshots of all the questions which have been asked. All the screenshots are again from the prospectus, right? Second one is, please see the promoter's salary. It is 14% of profit after tax. Asa kasa kai. Yes, this is where you say asa kasa kai. Correct. Promoter salary 14% of PAT. Asa kasa kai. How is this possible? Okay. Again, the answer is that I don't see anywhere where it is 14% of the tax. Okay. Again, these are screenshots. No, this is not screenshot. Sorry, I copied it because it was way too big. It was like going 2 pages. So I just copy pasted the important ones. Mr. Edward, who is one of the key promoters, if you have seen the video carefully, I had mentioned about this. Mr. Sunil, who's also one of the key promoters, he's being paid 7.35 million. Okay, and Mr. Sunil Chari is being paid 7.35 million again. So that's like 1.126% of PAT. Okay, even if I put both together, still it's like 2.25% of PAT. So it's nowhere close to 14% is what I believe. Okay, and the last question is, they have also unsecured loans. I think these are also risks. Okay. Ravage, what I personally feel is that if the company is having unsecured loans, it's not a risk for them. Chalo, let me see who can answer this. If I have taken an unsecured loan, okay, I have taken an unsecured loan, It is a risk for whom? Is it a risk for me or is it a risk for banks? Okay, chalo, tell me. If I have taken an unsecured loan, then is it a risk for me or is it a risk for the banker? Tell me quickly. I'm getting the chats very late, I guess. Bank. Yes. Correct. Now people are giving correct answers. Yes. And the answer is bank. Perfect. So I don't see that as a risk. Okay. So I think I've answered these questions as well. So that was it about total 9 to 10 questions. Today we had big questions and a lot of questions were to be answered with proper proofs, and that was the reason why I thought of taking all the answers with screenshots. That's why I shared the screen with you so that you feel comfortable while getting the answers to these questions. Okay, so with that, let us quickly go on to the super chats now. Someone was asking how to do a super chat. Here you can see a dollar ka sign right next to the smiley. That is where you give a super chat. Okay, chalo. So many new members joined in again. Very nice. I'm happy. Welcome everyone to memberships. Rajesh, Sandeep, Sumant, Arvind, Vyakuntam, Manish, Kamlesh, SK, Ganpati, Ashwin, Drishti, Prabhu, Chinmay, Ajay, Deepak, Suryakant, and Animesh, and Sambasirao Ponuru. Okay, cool. Right. So with that, let me quickly now move on to the super chats. My God, we are almost more than half an hour into the stream. I should hurry up. Okay, I did answer Ashwin. Ashwin, I answered your question. Ross IPO ordered via GPay. Will mandate take time? Okay, if you have ordered via GPay, that doesn't matter a lot. Is what I believe in, because GPay is just a medium where you are paying in. If you have applied for it right now, it will take time for a simple reason. The IPO window is open only from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'm repeating, I've also discussed about this same thing in my main video as well. The IPO timing is only from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you have applied for it after 5 p.m., then it will take some time. Okay, it will get confirmed tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Okay, that is it about your question, Sudarshan. Jameson says, ma'am, you said there is a special offer for students. Your course, special offer for students is there. Jameson, what you can do is you can contact our team. We do have some small discount, some small additional discount for students as well. So not a big discount. Students get a little bit more discount on our courses. So what you can do is you can just WhatsApp on 9022196678 and you can ask them, is there any student discount? Okay, 9022196678. That is the contact number for you, and this is a common support number. They will direct you to our support team. Okay, so this is a general support, and then they will direct you towards specialized support team, right? So departments and sub departments in my organization. So yeah, but you will be definitely catered to, right? Chalo, moving on to the next one. Kiran Aradhya, Yes Bank FPO, your view, ma'am. No view as such. I think that the price at which it is coming is like way too low. By the way, Kiran, I'm not sure whether you are a member or not, but today after the live stream, you will be getting a community tab post on Yes Bank FPO. Okay, so you can just check out the Yes Bank FPO community tab. I hope everyone knows, those who are members of my channel, once in a week we do post something as a value addition for you all. Okay, which is in the community tab section. It's, I guess, fourth from the left on the channel homepage, and that is where you will get to know about the Yes Bank FPO view as well. Okay, but I'm not really I mean, fundamentally, I just don't like that bank, so I would not jump into that. Okay. Amol says, can you please let us know your thoughts about PFC for 1 year and 5 year time frame? PFC is a good company fundamentally, Amol. No doubt about that. In the short term, definitely PFC might not be a good bet because of the overall scenario right now. But yes, 1 year, 5 year time frame, I feel fundamentally you can definitely look at it. It's a good stock fundamentally. Okay. Hi Rachana, please do. Santosh, thanks for the super chat. Santosh says, hi Rachana, please do session for long-term investors, like how many stocks should one have, when to enter, when to exit, and some important tips about portfolio. That's a good suggestion. Please do a session for that. A session can be like a Zoom session, maybe is what I can visualize. Let's see, next month or something like that. We can have a special Zoom session as well. Let's see. We will definitely think about it, and I'll come up with some good solution for that. Okay. Dip says, pandemic times, morale is low, everything is negative, business and economy going down, but stock market going high and high. Asak asakai. Love that, Dips. So amazing. Pandemic, I'll read it out once again. Pandemic time, morale low, everything is negative, business and economy going down, but stock market going high and high. Asak asakai. We all are so much positive about everything. So whatever is about the situation, let's be positive, and we are trying to be positive. Everyone, our entire team, our entire family on YouTube, we connect with each other twice a week. We try to get that feel good factor, right? So yeah, we are trying to take our morals high and high, and by saying asak asakai, right? Okay, anyways, stock market is right now behaving exactly opposite as compared to everyone else's expectation. And I feel that one of the company which is one of the major contributors to Nifty touching highs and touching higher highs is Reliance Industries. The stock has run up so much. It has run up from sub 1000 levels, less than 1000 levels, to 2000 levels, almost 2000 now. So see, and Reliance, a company like Reliance, which is a very heavyweight stock, there are few companies who are actually taking the Nifty higher. It's not an overall participation. Bank Nifty is also lagging behind as compared to main Nifty. Okay, so there are few companies who are actually marching, who are taking the Nifty forward, and that is what is happening right now. So yeah, it's not an overall participation which is taking Nifty up. It is just selected stocks which are taking Nifty up. Okay, so I hope I've answered your question, Lips. Ashwin says, important stock news of day in Telegram channel. Important stock news of day in Telegram channel. Okay, so you want some specific news also in the Telegram channel. Okay, Ashwin, we can definitely try and think about it. We can add one more message in the Telegram channel, which can be from some newspaper like Economic Times, or from Business Standard, from their app also. There are so many news on the apps, but one of the news which we feel is very nice can be shared on this channel as well. Sure, that's a good suggestion. Telegram link, please, says Mr. Ponuru. Pratik, can you please paste the Telegram channel link again? So that will be beneficial for many people. Many people are asking for the link again. So yeah, please do that, Pratik. Till then, let me move on to the next question. Are you there, Pratik? Yeah. He has pasted the Telegram channel link. So I'm also copying it, and I'm also pasting it one more time. So just in case, if you want, that's my comment comes as a highlighted comment. By the way, just for everyone, if you can see a spanner, something like a spanner, these are people from my team. These are my teammates who are joining into the stream and helping me to manage the chats. Okay. Ganpati says, please let me know, ma'am, pro investor advantage. Ganpati, I have made a separate YouTube video on what are the advantages for investor, pro investor, student, all types of memberships. I have discussed the benefits in detail on my YouTube channel only. So you can just please check out the YouTube video, which definitely is there on my channel. Right. Okay. Govind, thank you for the super chat. Saidu says, oh, did I miss out some chat? Yes. Ma'am, best sector to invest for 10 to 15 years. Oh my god. And is it okay to buy quality stocks even if they are overpriced? 10 to 15 years is a very long time frame. Uh, but yes, next 5 to 8 years, I can say. Uh, I've said this in many of my previous videos, betting against the current scenario right now. But yes, telecom is what I feel in coming 5 to 8 uh, 5 to 8 years, telecom can be a good one. Plus I feel that something like an infrastructure can definitely get a boom. Some specific set of manufacturing, if make in India really movement takes up, that can also be a good one in coming 5 to 8 years. And if you're buying quality stocks, you may go in if they're overpriced but with very small quantity. But my preference would be I would wait till they're fairly priced and then I would buy it. Okay, I would not be a fan of buying overpriced stocks, right? Has Manappuram entered reverse trend reversal from positive to negative? Manappuram, I have not actually checked. Let me just check ekdam quickly if I can check it. Manappuram. What happened? Manappuram Finance. Okay. Trend reversal. Is that so? Yeah, MACD shows negative. MACD shows a bearish crossover. RSI is also cooling off, but the trend is just there. It is not showing a very clear reversal as of now. But yes, RSI, MACD both not giving good signs. Okay. Okay, Udit, no question. Shrikant says, yes, bank FPO, I already having 350 shares at 59 rupees. Good, Shrikant. If you want, you can then apply for the FPO if you want. Okay, Akshay, thank you for the super chat. Udit says, price to enter for Polycab India. Polycab, I've told long ago when it was at 750 something. I had given that as a stock of the month for my pro investors. By the way, guys, pro investor members, stock of the month will be coming this Sunday, most probably. Okay, trying to give it by Saturday, but not sure. Most probably it will be released on this Sunday. Okay, so I hope everyone would be waiting for that. So I just thought of telling this to you quickly. Okay, so Polycab India right now has already run up quite a bit. So even if you are wanting to buy at this level, maybe a small quantity, not a big one though. Opinion on GOI floater saving bond 7.15. It's definitely a good one for something which is very less risky. So 7.15, of course, it has a locking period to my knowledge. As I mentioned in one of my previous chat, that yes, we will be trying to make a separate video on GOI floater as well as Bharat bond. So, but yes, 7.15 still seems to be a good one for me. IOLCP ship sailed. Yes, I have been hearing about that company a lot. Most probably, yes, is what I feel, Rishi. Pratyay Chakravarti says, is CFO to PAT good for Rossari? Your views on embassy REIT. CFO to, so cash flow from operations to PAT is also good. To whatever I recall, I don't recall the exact ratio for that. But I don't remember anything negative in that perspective. So CFO to PAT was fair enough, is what I recall. Embassy REIT, I have not checked out, so not sure on that. Okay, next question again by, oh my god, so many unanswered questions, guys. Bonds with monthly interest payment. How to check for bonds available currently? Is bond traded in exchanges? So currently you can check out tax-free bonds on Zerodha coin website. So if you want, I can just quickly show it to you. So here you can see coin Zerodha, and maybe I'll just type bonds as well. So invest in GSEC, invest now. So here you can see bonds. So click here to know more about upcoming bonds. So seems that they have a calendar. No, this is going to somewhere else. But yes, they do have, maybe we'll have to log in. But if you start checking this one, you will get to know that yes, you can also invest in bonds through coin platform of Zerodha. It is available. Okay, so that was the answer to your question, Sai Krishna. Please teach to make balance sheet and P&L for personal management. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll try to do that. Okay. Lalit, thank you for the super chat. Sudarshan, ma'am, passive or active index fund, which one is best? That is a part of my upcoming series on mutual fund, guys. I'm coming up with a separate series on mutual funds. In that, I've covered this in depth, active, passive, whichever is good. If the passive is able to beat the TRI is a total return index. If it is able to beat the TRI, then passive is good. Otherwise, active is good. Okay, so there's a big debate which can happen on whether active is good or passive is good, by the way. SIP in mutual funds and SIP in equity, which is better? How to select a stock for SIP in equity? SIP in equity is what I prefer rather than SIP in mutual fund, because I personally love to do analysis, and that's why I do an SIP in equity rather than SIP in mutual fund. How to select a stock for SIP in equity? For that, Chinmay, I would definitely recommend my course on fundamental analysis. Okay, so that is a course which you can check out on my website, rachanaranade.com. Okay, so that will give you insights on how to select a stock. Ma'am, as you said, RIL 13th deal today in 12 weeks. Yeah, exactly. So they are celebrating 1 week, one deal per week maybe. So yeah, that's what they are doing right now. So crazy. Sagar, thanks for the super chat. Darshan says IPO mantra on Twitter said its GMP is 100. Possible. I'm not sure which IPO mantra. I don't follow on Twitter, so possible. I mean, might be his or her view. I'm not sure. Okay, Ashfaq Kamar says, what about MGL at current level? At current level, Mahanagar Gas. Let me just check. MGL. MGL. Mahanagar Gas Limited. Okay. Full featured chart. It has gone up quite a lot. Let me see. Oops. It has corrected quite a bit as well. But it is not showing any buy signs right now. I would not go ahead and buy it at this level. I might not. I would prefer to wait. For those who have checked out my technical analysis lecture series, you'll be able to see here that the RSI is below 40. There is a bearish crossover. Okay, it's like a bearish engulfing candlestick. It's not exactly a bearish engulfing candlestick. I agree to that, but a big red candle as well. I mean, nothing positive to buy MGL right now at this level. Okay, so I would prefer to wait and watch. Perfect. Denver says, hi ma'am, please make the Telegram community a group so that we can interact with you too. Are you buying Rossari? Would you recommend buying? Rossari, even if I were to buy it, I would check the last day subscription, okay, and I would decide on the last day. But yes, even if I were to invest, then I would not be investing it into it for listing gains, because as I mentioned, I really doubt whether it will have any listing gains. Okay, so depends on the last day of oversubscription whether I would really buy it or not. About Telegram community making it as a group, I'm sorry Denver, I won't do that, because then I'll have like 3,000 messages in 1 hour, which I don't want. People start talking to each other as well. So Denver, whenever you want to interact, I come here live once. I come twice per week to interact with you all. Okay, so I think this is a good platform as well to interact with you. So the Telegram channel link, oh, he has already pasted. Okay, so Telegram channel link pasted again. So if you want to communicate with me, this can be the channel. Otherwise, Telegram, I think one-way communication is better. Will Jio be listed as IPO? Yes, there are great chances that Jio will be listed as an IPO, not immediately, somewhere around 21, 22. Stephen, thank you for the super chat. Next question is again by Dips. Your views on Reliance Infra. Junior Ambani says company will be debt-free this financial year, and also Rafale deal on track. Stock very bullish currently. I don't really believe Dips in Junior Ambani. Not at all. I mean, you should feel very positive about the management as well. I don't know why, but I really want buy into Junior Ambani's stocks. I would prefer to stay away, because that the stocks which we have seen some years ago, RNRL, those who were there in markets at that time, RNRL, Reliance Petro, all these stocks, they have just burned the hands of the investors. So I would prefer staying away from that. Views on Inox Leisure, bought it before market crash. Ooh, okay. Inox Leisure, I don't think might see a very big run up in the coming few weeks, in the coming short term, I may say. So I don't know what is your current market. I don't know what is your buying price, but I don't see it as a very bullish thing right now. Okay. Alok Industries lower circuit, when will it break? I guess today it was trading, na? For some time it was, I guess. Not sure, but that is what I remember. It was trading. So the moment it breaks, and if you have bought it at a lower level, just sell it out. Okay. Why HDFC AMC is going down? Can I buy? Right now, HDFC AMC might be going down because of the talks that the overall mutual fund industry is also not doing so. I mean, as far as the inflows are concerned, it's not that good. That might be the reason why HDFC AMC is going down. But fundamentally, I love that stock. If you can get it at lower levels, you may think of buying it into it. HDFC Life is also a very good stock. Insurance is something which I am definitely bullish on. Someone was asking me about 10 to 15 years. Not sure about 10 to 15 years. But yes, next few years, again, I feel that there are great chances that the insurance sector overall also will perform very well. Okay. With that, I guess I have covered all the questions. It is 9:52. Tired, and we've been working the whole day. From tomorrow, lockdown starts again in Pune. So those who are workaholics feel bad over that. But yes, you need to stay at home, and also stay safe. Don't go out unless and until it's necessary. Okay. Okay, Arjun, thanks for the super chat. Sudarshan says, ma'am, South Indian Bank, your thoughts? Not checked South Indian Bank of late. Okay. Well, I guess, okay, you may stop giving super chats. I might not answer from now. So just one more thing. I hope Telegram channel link everyone has checked out. Parthiv, did I miss your super chat? Let me just check. Parthiv. I can't see any super chat in the name of Parthiv. Control F. I can see only Saidut Vadi Parthika Parth. Nope. I can't see a super chat. Still people are giving super chat. Meg, it is a good buy now. My TA stops me to buy. Meg, it is a good buy now. Meg is a stock or what? I just knew it by my son's name. So I was wondering why you are saying TA for my son. Okay. So anyways, I'm listening this for the, are you talking about Make Money Organics or something like that? Not sure. Okay. So views on UPI. I said I will not answer super chat. UPI analysis, not really sure. Airtel, I have always said this. It's a good one. Okay. So yeah, Airtel is a good one. Nikhil Nair, 6 a.m. club members, deadline tonight or tomorrow night? Nikhil, I posted the video a little bit late, so try to give it by tonight. All the 6 a.m. club members, try to complete the deadline tonight. Else, if just not possible, then by tomorrow. But try to do it tonight only. Okay. CA final students के लिए एक message please. Darshan says, Darshan beta क्या बोलूं? What shall I say? It's a tough time for you guys. I know you have been studying a lot. You have been studying like crazy. It's very hard to refocus again. Darshan, what I feel is you or any of the CA students who is in the live stream right now, don't study for a few more days. Enjoy at home. Absolutely don't study for next 2 weeks at least. Enjoy your time. Give yourself a very good break. Recharge and then start studying again. Okay. So you need some time off, and then you can, go ahead and start studying. Okay. Right. So that was about the 6 a.m. club update and students message quickly. I have talked about Telegram. If you have not installed Telegram on your mobile, then it might not work. Okay. Some people might think that I'm giving a nonsense disclaimer, but some people might not be aware about the Telegram channels. That's why I'm talking about this. So step number 1, you need to download Telegram app, okay, and then you need to check the link which we have pasted, right? Number 2, I hope you are checking out our blogs. Are you aware that we have blogs on our channel? Okay, so just in case, on my website, sorry. So that's my website, rachanaranade.com, and here you can see something like blogs. So you can click here. Once you click here, here you can see Reliance Jio, and here if you click on read more, you'll get to see the whole blog on Reliance Jio. Okay, so oops, there is a coupon code right below, so I've just quickly taken that off. So there's a coupon code right there as well, and that expires today midnight. The coupon code expires, so don't forget to check that out as well. Okay, so guys, that's it from my side. I hope you have enjoyed today's session, and I'll see you for the next session on what, Thursday, right? So that's it from my side, guys. Sleep well, enjoy at your home, don't go outside unnecessarily. Okay, so till then, Jai Hind, bye bye, good night.